Welcome guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail using PicsArt in just 5 simple steps. So let's get started. Click PicsArt application, then tap on plus button at the bottom of the screen. In this window you will see different options. Scroll down to category drawing and then choose pick canvas. Select customize size 1280 by 720 and then click right top corner. In this white screen, choose edit image option and your blank image looks like this. Step number 1. Tap on add photos option, go to photo gallery and choose photo for your thumbnail. Adjust this photo according to your requirements or your needs. Let's move on to step number 2 and select image from your photo gallery, this time a color image. After selecting this image, go to shape crop option as it's the bottom of the screen. So I usually choose a rounded square option in shapes. You guys can choose a stroke color for your image. In this case, I'm choosing a blue color for my image. After selecting this color for stroke, I drag this image to the timeline of my thumbnail. Let's type YouTube thumbnail text on top of this image. After that, drag this text on top of the image and adjust its size. After adjusting its size, I would like to change text color. So I'm choosing a yellow color for my text. After selecting color, I move to the option stroke and choose a stroke for my text. So adjust the stroke color. Now after adjusting this, I move to the shadow option and I usually make a blur option really small. Let's move on to step number 3 and selecting color image. This time I'm selecting red. I'm moving to the shape crop and shaping the image. Then choosing the stroke color. In this case, this time I'm choosing blue color. Drag this image to the timeline and making a minor adjustments. Then go to text option. And selecting a text on top of this image. This time I'm typing using. Then make adjustment to this text. Selecting a stroke color for this text. After this step 3, I'm moving to the step 4 where I'm following the same pattern, choosing an image and putting my text in there. So let's move to the gallery again, and this time I'm choosing a yellow color. Next one, I go to the shape option. I'm following the same pattern, so I'm choosing the same shape, and over here I'm giving a stroke color. So I choose a blue color for my stroke option, then drag this image to the timeline. Now the next step, I'm adding a text in this image. Select text option and then type PicsArt text. Now move on to color options and select color for this text. In this case, I'm choosing the gradient option. and instead of choosing one color, I'm selecting two colors. It looks more promising after selecting two colors. You guys can feel the difference. Now move on to step 5. In step 5, I'm choosing another image, a yellow color. Shape option. Over here, I choose a different shape because I want to point out this shape towards the PicsArt text. Select stroke color and drag this image to the thumbnail timeline. So I'm going to point out this text towards PicsArt. So that was the final step. Now I'm going to save this option. You can see on the screen it's a save option. Click on it and then click download photos. Guys, this is the final version of my YouTube thumbnail using PicsArt. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. Thanks for watching this video.